Lotus Temple in India is one of the 8 Bahá'í House of Worship in the world. It was completed in 1986 by an Iranian architect, Fariborz Shahaba, and the project was undertaken by Larsen and Toubro. Anyone can enter here irrespective of religion. There is no god or deity present in it because it focuses on meditation and prayer to one God Supreme, where spiritual conversation with its creator without any intermediation is respected. It focuses on collective worship, equality and service to humanity. The structure has a lotus-like shape with 27 free-standing marble-clad petals arranged in 3 cluster layers to form 9 sides, forming 9 doors, opening to a central hall. The central hall has seating capacity of nearly 2,500 people. It is a serene prayer spot with beautiful ambience surrounded by some artificial made water bodies with Persian architecture. This is the central hall. Photography is not permitted here. It looks so beautiful.